Vivo X100 is 5G. Cheap 5G smartphone with 7000 mAh battery and 400 MP camera. 1. Key features of Vivo X100's 5G. 2. RAM and storage options. 3. Scheduled time of release and cost. Vivo has announced its latest budget 5G smartphone going for the Indian market, the Vivo X100's 5G. This is a wonderful low-priced phone if you are in need of a smartphone with many functions. Below is the elaborated feature, launch date, expected price section. Key features of Vivo X100's 5G. 1. Stunning screen. The Vivo X100's 5G will have a 6.5-inch punch-hole screen, making it responsive enough with a 120 Hz and has 1080x 2700 pixels resolution. It also has a fingerprint scanner for fast and easy unlocking of the device. The screen guarantees to provide rich colors and give out a seamless scrolling experience, which makes it perfect for gaming and streaming. 2. Rapid charging, enormous battery capacity. It is integrated with a large battery of 7000 mAh that lets your device provide required power for the complete day. Moreover, it is compatible with a 200W fast charger, which may take only 20 minutes to fully recharge this phone, thus suitable for a busy individual. 3. Camera support. Photography, selfies. Lovers will prefer this phone due to its powerful camera setup. The main module has a resolution of 400 mP. The second focal length is 32 mP for ultra-wide-angle photography, and the third is a 12 mP depth sensing module for impressive portrait shots. The front selfie shooter comes in at 32 mP for clear selfies, while the main camera records videos up to 4K without any struggle. RAM and storage options. The Vivo X100's 5G will be available in multiple configurations to suit different user needs. 8GB RAM plus 128GB storage, 12GB RAM plus 512GB storage, 16GB RAM plus 512GB storage. This helps avoid conflicts that arise from multitasking and provides ample storage for all the apps, pictures, and even movies. Scheduled time of release and cost. The Vivo X100's 5G is expected to come with a starting price of $350 of the below, $400, $450, or $500, and should be launched in the last quarter of October or early November 2024. If you had the chance to purchase during the offer period, you can have it for as low as $21,999. Staring with a 7,000 of EMI options, this will be a popular option for many users.